This video, in this video, we'll see how we can create real like section here you can see in Shopify for free. We will be doing using custom code. If you need that code, you don't want to do it yourself, just subscribe and join membership. I will send you all the code. You just need to copy and paste. Then it will be just running in 1 minute. If you want to see how I'm creating this, let's go. Here, I'm logged into admin dashboard of Shopify. Now here you can see this is my default Dawn theme. So now we will add it. So we will add using custom code. That's keep in mind. Okay, so you can customize it or edit it as per your requirement. I will guide you how we can create. Go on online store. Now click on edit code. After clicking, first we will create a section so that we can use that section anywhere, not only on home page. We can use it anywhere in any pages. Name as real section. Now we have created section. Now first important for section is schema. Here you see by default we will add blocks. You see blocks. So what are the blocks? What will be there? Blocks. In block type will be video. Then now we will go on settings. In setting we need to write same thing. Type video. What will the ID that will use to display on front end? That is, you can change ID as per your requirement and label also as per your requirement. Okay, load video. What is label? Label that you see on front end. I will show you. Uh, Here, this is label. Heading you can say this is label. Okay, this is a label for my video. Now, after that, here we have added. Now, how we will present name. Now, what will be blocks? Type will be video. Okay, everything good till now. Just be with me. Now we'll go on setting. So we have created that in our front end, we'll give option to user to upload video. Okay, that will be on front end. Now we'll go on setting. In settings, you need to write what will be the setting option that will be available. Setting type will be text. First will be ID. First will be heading. And its label will be also create another type text ID. These setting will be not displayed on. These are for setting that we will use to show how much number of slides we want to show on desktop or mobile view. Okay, desktop slide. You can name these as per your requirement. Column. Then label. Then we will set default value to 4. Like 4 column will be shown as default value. You can change default value as per your requirement. Now we will set for mobile. Similarly, it will take some time, but you will be getting a proper customizable option with all layer. Okay. The section padding and margin setting. So we will give a range option. Sorry. Range where user can set margin of the section, not the video, whole section. If you don't want it, you can leave it. This schema also. It's all upon you. First, I will add padding top. Minimum will be 0 and maximum padding I want to give 100 or 0 inch. Next here, then unit will be pixel. We want to add, add margin padding in pixel only. Now label it as per your requirement. Here you don't need to padding top. Just copy the same thing and name as padding bottom. What will be the default? Sorry, default. Suppose I want to give default 40. Now just copy the same thing here and just paste it below and change this to bottom. Padding bottom. Now we will create the layout that will be shown on front end. So we will create div section. Inside that div section, what will be there? First, we will use as a class name so that we can style it to video reel section. You can name as per your requirement. And then there is a default section that was given by Shopify. You need to name using that section dot id. Sorry, double bracket, there will be double bracket. Okay. And one more thing, padding requirement, then H3. You can show the layout as per your requirement. I am creating very simple layout for you that you guys don't get confused. Now here name the title. I will give a class name title. You can use for styling purpose or title. Okay, title we have created. Now inside that I will create a span folder. Inside that our heading will be day. Okay. Inside that what you need to write? You need to write the section dot setting dot heading we have created. You see heading. So whatever we fill in the heading will be shown here. Now it should be closed. Now we will create the reel section. First will be div class will be swiper container. Very simple. Then there will be div class name will be swiper wrapper. We will create very easily, not to worry, just be with me. Okay. You need to close every div. Now inside that we will loop through all the videos like that you want to show. For that you need to write full block in section dot block. How many video blocks are there? We will loop through each one of them. Okay. Now just write it if block dot setting dot video isn't blank, sorry, blank, blank. Then we will loop through and we will display the video class swiper slide. Okay. Now we will display block dot settings dot video slash video tags if I have any video tags. We will add autoplay because we want to automatically play the video. These are HTML. You can see like if you've done HTML. If you have ever done HTML, you can know it loop. We want loop true, like it will be keep play loop repeated. Mute option will be true. Controls, we don't want to show control. If you want to show control, you can change from here. Slider, you can add. This will be the video section. this div is closed, as you can see. Close this div. Okay, now we will close the if block, and if then we will close the for block file and for. Very simple. Now we want to display why this heading tag it should be here. Sorry, my bad. The heading tag should be and here. Now after that we want to display the swipe option. We'll create a class swiper pagination. That will be the, and then there'll be button next and previous button that we will create. Div, very simple. You just keep writing with the class swiper button next, and similarly there will be previous. To copy it, name it as a previous. Okay, we have added everything as of now. That's the layout has been created. One more thing, this div will be here. Everything will be inside the div. This swiper container and here. You can see. Now we have created the layout very easily. Now the important thing. Now some styling we will add so that it will look much more better. Here, just write style. Here, Mifik, we'll go on styling. I have write style the section so that it will look better. This is for margin and padding. This is margin padding for mobile screen. You can here, Mifik. Now video reel section, there will be overflow hidden, swiper container, margin padding, display flags. These are some basic styling. Just you can write same as it is. Okay, as of now. These are some styling. If you don't want, you can also remove it. Okay. Now important part is how we can add slide. So we will add a, if you have heard about swiper sliders, like I will show you, we will use that. Swiper slider. You see, swiper slider. So we will use it to create slider. Okay. Now we will add a script here. Script. First, what you need to do, you need to go to swiper slider. Here you can see swiper slider. Sorry, where it is. Here we need to get the, we will use swiper slider CDN. So but just copy the script as of now and paste it here. Then below that we'll create a script section where we'll create the all the option for swiper. We'll write document dot add event listener. This is for creating slider. Add event listener when, sorry, sorry, DOM contain loader function where swiper equal to new swiper. So it will be capital swiper. We need to give the class given name swiper container. We have given. Then then we will style it for desktop view and mobile views. The first will be for desktop view when window dot inner width is greater than 760. Then over second what? Now we will add section dot setting. dot desktop column. Here we'll set the desktop column. How many desktop column will be there? Desktop column pass in. Similarly, you need to do for mobile column. Just copy it till here and paste it here, and you need to change mobile. We have created it. Now let's go on space between each slider. Loop that the slider will loop through true. Then navigation. No, if you want navigation, you can choose. Otherwise, make it false. Pagination you want. No, as of now, I don't want. No, autoplay. I want autoplay that automatically browsers will keep moving. And in 3 seconds, I want autoplay. Everything here count in millisecond. Disable on. mm, Not true. One thing is pending, then it will just save it. We have added script. Now also we need to add this in theme dot. Go search here theme dot liquid in header. We need to add it in header, not in body. So keep that in mind. In header, I will add it here in header. Let me see. Now my section is ready. I will show you. Let's go for it. Go on customize. Now I will click on add section. I will be adding it here. Here I will search for reel section. Video reel section you can see. Here first adding video reel section. You can do video reel section. Now we have done one issue, like we haven't given left and right margin. You can add multiple video from here. Now we need to upload the video here. Click on done. As you can see, there's some issue, like it's not properly aligned. Let's see what's the issue. Go back, go on edit code. Now let's check everything is fine. I think this will be mostly be due to script. So we need to check it here. Document list. Oh, sorry, spelling mistake. It will be list, and there is one other mistake loaded. And one more thing, make this in single line, like slide per view. I have changed it into single line view. Now let's see if it's working or not. I have saved it. Go to my store. Now here you can see it's working perfectly fine. Now four videos showing in, and when I go on mobile view, what in mobile view I've shared it to two video. I think mobile view not working. No, here you see mobile view, it's two, and in desktop view there will be five. I will change it to four, and let's go on desktop view. Then save it. After saving, the changes will be reflect. Now there is just one issue here. You can see, like my section is of full width. You can see it's full, and all other section are like this. What I will do, I just need to add a line here that will be page width. Like it will take the page width. Now we have created this section. Now one more thing, like suppose if you want to link product here, similarly you can do it. Let me know. I will create more video on it. So how you can add product linked with it. Okay. And now that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and let me know if there's confusion issue. I'll be there for solve.